Would it be mommy? Or would it be daddy? The Belle gets to decide. Yeah. With her right arm or her left arm. Or she can use her right leg or her left leg. It's up to the Belle to decide. Yes. Very quickly. Yeah. Yeah, anything to Belle wants. Yeah, just like that. You smile for daddy and you smile for mommy. And for the whole world, exactly like how you just said it. Belle smile for the whole world. Yes. Yeah, Belle understands, huh? Belle understands. She understands that she has to wake up mommy or daddy. Yep, just like that. Using one of her leg or one of her arm.